Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. This solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. You have to just follow my screen and don't miss any steps. So let's fix this issue together. First of all, we need to right click on the start icon and select the device manager. Also, you can go to the search bar and type your device manager and click here to open it. Once we are here, we need to expand the sound, video and game controllers. So expand these, right click on the device, select properties, and once we are here, go for the drivers tab. Now click on update drivers. Make sure you are connected with your internet connection, then select the first one. Once done, go back and you can also select the second option. If you select the second one, just click on the let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer and select the model and click on next. So click on S and there we go. Now close all windows one by one. Your hardware settings have changed, must restart your computer. So select S and close this window and we will simply restart the system. So make sure you can also check out the pin command to fix this issue quickly. Don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe to the channel.